Okay, so our clearance was put here on the copper plane. So if you look at it right here, this distance from here to here, I think was 20. So we can go to inspection, measure it. Let's change the grid. So let's say 1. I'm gonna go from here to here. So there, that's about 20. Now, if you want this bigger, you want a bigger clearance, you go to here, and instead of 20, we put 25. So that one's 25. So now it's 25. And now when you pour it, that opened up a little bit more. So now let's measure it. Inspect, measuring tool from here to here 25. So it clears up the spaces. So that's my point there. Okay. All right. So let's go back to so this bothers me right now. So I'm gonna click here, take that out. So now select this component, move, and put it straight up there. The ones that say ground, we're gonna put a via. So that's the default via. So let's make our own set of vias here. So we have predefined vias, and here vias. So we're gonna do a 20 and 10, and then a 40 and 20, and then a 30, 15, then a 50, and 25. All right, so let's see how that looks. Let's click OK. And now, let me see 40, 20, how that looks, that via. So that's that via. Let's check at 2010, how that looks. And 3015, that's how that looks. And so that's all the sizes I made. Okay, so which one? I think I'm gonna go with this one. So this one is 4020. Okay, I'm gonna take and delete that one, delete that one, delete that one. I'm gonna copy, Control C. I'm gonna put one there, one here, and one here, right there. And now they're gonna take the track 20. Is that good? There you go. That's one. That's the other. That's the other. This connection to that, and BCT goes here, comes here, straight up to here, and BCT comes here to there. And ground is ground. That is there. All right, so that's for that. And then here, we're gonna make a via. Which via? 4020. I'm gonna put a ground here, one here, one here, Maybe one here. And for this one, I think I'm gonna put one here. And just in case on the other side here. So put two there. Okay. And now I go here. Connect that out. Connect this out. Connect that out. And from here to here. Alright, so how is that running? Here to there, straight up. And then from here to there to there. Mm-hmm. VCC can come in there. Now I need to put, so I think we cover all the, so now let's save this and let's look at bill of materials, how that's looking. Generate bomb. You know, the VCC and VCC. Okay, so we need, and the schematic, something symbol. And connector probably. I think it's under mechanical. 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 And the fiducial. That's fiducial. Okay, so what do I really want? I want a mounting hole. Right, so let's try this out. So mounting hole on which one? Right, so let's say M2.5, M6, M3, let's see, MISO, M5, where's the one with the, alright, so mounting pads, but only with beer. M2 with beer. Okay, so let's use that. and say BCC, and then we connect this to here and copy. That goes to GND. Ground, okay, so let's see there. And let's save that. Let's go to tools, update. Let's see what happens. No arrows. Okay, so now it's one for ground. So that's no problem. So you'll put one here and then one here. So and for move, how do I want? I want this close to here, close to there, or right in between. Okay, so now I'm gonna get a trace, make it 20. I'm gonna take from here to there, and then from here to here. There you go. Now let's flood it. So look what happened. B. That's gonna clear up. See? More than enough. It's gonna clear up. No problem. Now. Now let's go to YouTube. All right. So it's what share trip. Share trip. LC kicad. All right. So did I show up? All right. So over here.
Welcome, kicad.
Okay. So let's go there. Now let's see if I can save images. Downloads. New. Let's put logo. And then save it. All right, then close that up. Let's go to kicad here. Image converter. And you get this window. Then you gotta go file, open, downloads, logo, channel, okay. Negative, let's do it like that. Right, comes up like that. Footprint. Okay, so before we do that, just go to PCB editor, file, go to manage footprints. Wait, no, we're gonna go to, yeah, manage footprints. No, not manage footprints. We wanna go to PCB editor, footprint editor. Yeah, footprint editor. And then we're gonna do file, new library, global library. What name of the library? We're gonna put in documents and we're gonna say uh, share trip, share trip. Save it. So we're gonna say share trip, share trip. All right. So we're gonna create the library. And to show up the library, you have to add it. Oh, it's going. It used to be faster, but now, okay, anyway, so I created the library. Now to see it, okay, so now the library is created, but nothing in it. Okay, so we leave this one, we close that one. Now we go to the image editor, and now we go for footprint kicad, export file, and we're gonna export to documents, share trip, pretty, logo, logo, logo. Okay, so save. I'm not sure if you want to export file. Okay, so now let's see. So now let's go to PCB editor. Go to add. Where is it? Share trip logo. There you go. It's there. And oh, okay, put it there. But now I want an I don't want it in the front. So let's do V as a boy. Now let's see view 3D viewer. Oh, this looks, oh, that looks terrible. Anyway, so let's move that to the back. So click there, change flip side. So now it should be in the back. So view, even though it's not what we want. There you go. Why are you showing two? All right. So share trip. So it's on the back and on the front. All right. So we can clear the image. So if you want to clear that up, you gotta go. To make it cleaner, you go to footprint editor, and then select the icon that we want to change. In this case, where do you go? Share trip. Okay, so now this value, delete that. Okay, so we can move this. That's not gonna affect move. So this is the, okay, so this is vectors, vectors. So I really don't need this. Let's see what happens. I delete that. Oh, I don't want to do that. Oh, so, okay, so so this is one thing. There's another thing, there's another thing, there's another thing. Okay, so for example, I can delete this, right? And I can delete this part, clear up this part. No, that will take out some of the definition there. I can take this part. This, I can move this over here like that. Make the windshield a little bit. So that looks like a car, kind of. That's one, and that's one item. And but if I was doing those changes, save it, and then maybe we want to clear this up in, so I could do a line here. Uh, let's see, where are we? What layer are we here? This screen. So I can go a line here, but it doesn't. Um, so I can get this shape and copy that. Oh, you see, but it's not gonna be the way we want it. But let's say I do that, right? So then I go here and the angle. So there was an angle here. Let's see. Properties. Fill screen. To default line style. Okay, I guess not. I thought you could do 90 degrees. You do 90 degrees? I guess not. Okay, so let's delete the uh maybe this line. Drop polygon. So from here to here to here to here to here. Okay, so now I got that shape, right? So like polygon move. So I'm gonna click move and move one. So now this I have, you see this one has more points than this one. So this will be a cleaner image of that. So I'm gonna take that out, delete, and then say copy that one, and then paste that one, Control V, and then mirror it, mirror vertically. So now I take this one, put it here, and take the other one out and delete it. So now I put this one here. There you go. So that has less dots. I don't know if you see what I'm doing, but you see the previous image had more. So now this shape, I think I'm gonna leave it alone. And share trip, I think I can do the letters. Let's see. KiCad font. I think maybe I want to do a very nice font here. Impact. Free ink. Let's see. So I put share trip. And all right, so this I might do, I want to do, all right, let's leave it for now the default. So look, this is how it looks then. Now let's see the size of this. So you see how it has all this, that this is cleaner than that. So I might want this. But now let's say I make the line width. What's the line width here? Visible, offset, orientation. All right, so I'm gonna do 100 and this 100. Let's see how big that shows. All right, so that's really big. So now maybe I want to do half of that, 50 here, 50 here. Okay, so now that looks more like about the same size. So now I'm going to take this out, delete, and I see all these options here. So now I take this, put it here. Now I want bold. So I want to bold it, maybe italic. Let's see how that looks. What else can I do? Orientation, center. Okay, no, so shirt trip. Okay, is that better than this one? Okay, now maybe you see this one has lots of dots here. So maybe I take this and do the graphic myself. So I'll go here to here to here to here to here and to here. I got this shape and now I'm gonna delete that shape. Delete. I'm gonna move this one somewhere there. Okay, so I have this other point here. I'm gonna delete. Alright, so this one has a lot of dots. Okay, maybe I want to leave that out. And this shape here, maybe I want to leave it. Leave it. Alright, so I clean that up. And now I'm going to take this whole thing, move it to the center. And move this to here. Move that to there. Okay, so now I'm going to save it. And all right, so now let's go to the PCB. Let me take this out so we can see this. So let me delete this. Delete that. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go to shirt trip. And I'm gonna use this logo now. So now you can read it, right? And I'm gonna put 2. Okay. So now this one we're gonna flip side. So now it's on the opposite side. So now let's look. View, 3D viewer. So one here, see? Set trip. And the reverse side. Reverse. Oh no, reverse. No, that's reverse right there. Reverse right there. So now we want to put the revision. So we go to the seal screen top and we're gonna make a box here. Fill up the box. I'm gonna say from here to here, and we're gonna fill it. Fill shape. Okay. And we're gonna write rev Okay, part number maybe rev. What revisions this? Rev. Now in the back, we're gonna go. On the back, we're gonna put a. We're gonna make a box here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, so we're gonna make a box. Two boxes. And now we move this box here. This box here. Okay, so we want it filled. And we want this filled. Okay, so now this is what's happening here. Now we go view, that looks like a mess, right? But in reality, so you can write that there, ref. You have those two boxes. Of course, here's a problem. So maybe we move this one to here, this one to the top. So now let's clear the problem. So maybe put this one here, this one there, and now there's no problem. So now let's look, do the ERC. Let's see how many errors we got. We have any errors? Let's see, 0 errors. We have a warning. Insufficient stroke weight. What does that mean? Insufficient stroke weight. Insufficient stroke weight. Okay. Footprint true type font characters with insufficient stroke weight. What does that mean? Is it because it doesn't have enough? 50 mils is good. Okay, so let's look on the layers. Silk screen. Oh no, light thickness. You want to make this 6, 6, 6. Actually, H cut 15. 6 here. 6 here. 6 here. Text thickness 6. What is this at? 12. Minimum 6. Minimum 6. I think we cover here. Okay, so I think my lines maybe not good. So now let's go to the footprint editor again. And I think, all right, so I'll do it again. So, okay, copy this, cancel to text, put that in, but I think bold, italic, okay, but not that font. Icon font, I want to do impact. Let's see how impact works. Okay, so impact, that's impact. Another one, impact, I want to do ink free, control V. All right, so I think select that one, that one, that one, that one. Move is the last one. So 50, 50. Okay. Save it. TV editor. All right, let's see what happens. Let's delete this. Delete. And let's put that footprint, see what happened. Save it. And to the ERC, let's see if it cleans that up. Warning, text thickness out of range. All right, it's just a warning. Now let's see how that looks. View. All right, so the fiber, so that's the TX, that's the RX. We put here silk screen in the front, silk in the back. Now what are you gonna put it here? So in the back, we can go and put text and say, and the back silk screen. We're gonna put a text and say SN, serial number, right? Serial number. Serial number. And then this box, PN part number. PN. All right, PN part number. Okay, so now how is that looking? So let's see. Put it view, 3D viewer, revision, part number, serial number. So you got something to write in there. It's not touching anything. This one maybe we're gonna make smaller. Let's go make it pretty. Here maybe we want to make this one this big. And now save it. Now let's view it. And that's it. There you go. So now I want to take right there. Let's take a picture. Export current view as PNG. And I'm gonna put in downloads. And then we're gonna create a folder saying uploads. Upload. And tutorial. So, all right, so I save that. Looking good. Where's so this is our schematic here. And we got this information. How do we do the schematics from the data sheet? So data sheet. Okay. And that's what we did. We did this. That's what we put it in. We had a transmitter and receiver. TX transmit, RX receive. So we did this schematic and that's the result of that. So we put it here. And now at the layout of these. And it's floated. We high topper. That's how it's looking. Now we go and Fabrication output, Gerbers, put the Gerbers. So where are we gonna put the Gerbers? Generate drill files, output folder, where it's gonna be, tutorial. So let's make a folder here, say new, and Gerber, and select a folder. Yes, generate drill file, close, and we want to plot this. All right, so close. Now let's look at our Gerber files, and we're gonna go to Gerber viewer, and we bring this window down here. I go file, open. We're gonna open Control A, open all of them. Okay, and that should give us all our Gerbers. So you can turn it off. Okay, and put that on, put that on, take that off. Okay, and see the different things here. So the manufacturer is going to take this board, is going to make it using these files. All right, so we created our Gerbers. We're good to go. So kicad tutorial. Now if you want to put here your informations, you go here, page settings. You can put the day, revision A. Let me put DX/RX fiber company share trip comment YouTube. Okay, now that looks, so that's gonna fill out share trip YouTube. There you go. You can do the same thing on this page. You have this, so you got same spot. Fill out the day, revision A, title, DX, RX, Fiverr, company, share trip, comment, YouTube, and that's your fills. Then look, I make typo, so you go back, clean the typo, make another typo, here we go. All right, so looking at, and the revision 8.08, kicad. All right, you want to make it pretty, you move this lines like that, you know. All right, so then your bill of materials, where this bill, so that's how it's looking. Generate bomb. So you got this bomb, so you get the value, the reference, how many of them, 4, 2, 1, you know. So then as you highlight, it tells you where's R1, where's C4. Okay, that's how it looks. Now, if you look here, you gotta make it readable. Let's see, this one you can read this one, but this one is sideways. So this doesn't look good. So to fix it, you're here, still screen, move. I don't know where I want to put rotate. Maybe I want to put that here. Move, rotate. Maybe I want to put that here. And C4, same thing. Move, rotate. I put that there. And so forth and so forth, so forth. Okay, move, rotate here, move, rotate. That's the silk screen layer. That's silk screen, see? Top. So that looks good. That looks good. Maybe that's too close to the line, so I'm gonna move this one a little bit over here, making sure it's not this gray one. You can fabrication top, you can hide that one, you can hide that one. It's easy to see. And then here you fill out B. I will fill up. Okay, so you can hide the top, you can hide the bottom, save. Now, because we make those changes, you look at the Gerbers, right? This is, we just made those changes. So to go view, 3D view, it looks now like this. But the Gerbers that we made, if we go to Gerber viewer, it's not gonna look like that. So let's look at the Gerbers. Gerber viewer. Let's bring it down. This window here. File. Open. Gerber. No, control A. So select everything. So now we take hide that and bottom. Front copper. We're gonna take the front copper. So you see here. Look. This. So to reflect those changes, you gotta update your Gerbers. So you go to your PCB, then plot the Gerbers. The location is there, plot it. The drew files, really, close, close. And now let's go to Gerbers. So you don't feel comfortable using this Gerber, you can download another Gerber, but this is good enough. So tools, now go to open Gerber. We're going to take all control A. And now we take back copper, front copper. You see? Now it's outdated. It's up to date on the changes we made. So now you can submit. You're here happy, you make the review. What is our drill? I don't see our drill file here. What happened? File. Oh, control A. So I cannot load it as a plot. Okay, no load a PHP drill. Okay. Oh, okay. Now copper. Sure. All right. All right. So I think that's it for today. So I showed you how to use the PCB editor, the food editor, the code reviewer, agent converter. We did some plugins, which was we interacted HTML bomb. We installed that one. We used it and abused it. And that's how it's looking. We update the curvers again. And that's it for now. Give it a like, share, and subscribe. All that good stuff. Go here. Let me see 3D viewer. I like to verify this like the cell screens. Make sure it's readable. Verify. That's how it's actually how it's gonna look like. Serial number, part number. Mounting holes. That's for the power. That's for the ground. So put a piece of wire here, connect to power supply, test that out, and that should be good. All right, thank you for watching. See you next time.